Have you ever wondered if one simple habit could begin to change your entire body in just 30 days? Not a complicated workout plan, not an expensive gym membership, not a miracle pill advertised on late-night television, just a bicycle and the decision to ride it every day. Most people think real physical transformation takes years. They believe that unless they push their bodies through intense training routines, nothing meaningful will happen. But what if the truth is much simpler? What if a gentle, rhythmic activity, something many of us learned as children, could quietly improve your heart, strengthen your muscles, sharpen your mind, and even lift your mood in just 1 month? Today, we're going to talk about what happens when you start cycling daily, and why so many health experts believe it as one of the most powerful habits you can build for your body. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what changes begin happening inside your body when you cycle regularly and why the first 30 days can be surprisingly transformative. But there's also something important most people don't realize about cycling, something that determines whether it truly changes your health or becomes just another abandoned routine. And we'll come back to that in a moment. First, let's talk about the real problem many adults face today. Modern life has slowly trained our bodies to sit still. We sit at desks for work. We sit in cars during long commutes. We sit on couches after exhausting days. Even when we know we should move more, the idea of intense workouts can feel overwhelming. Gyms feel intimidating. Running can be hard on the joints. And complicated exercise programs often demand more time and energy than most people have. So, the result is predictable. Energy drops, weight slowly increases, stiffness creeps into the joints, and the heart, the most important muscle in the body, becomes weaker over time. Many people start believing this decline is simply part of aging. But that belief isn't entirely true. The human body was designed for movement. When we move regularly, our muscles adapt, our heart becomes stronger, our lungs become more efficient, and our brain releases chemicals that make us feel happier and more energized. Cycling works with this natural design in a unique way. Unlike many exercises that strain the joints, cycling allows the body to move in a smooth, circular motion. The knees and hips stay supported, the muscles work steadily, and the heart begins pumping blood more efficiently. This is why cycling has quietly become one of the most recommended activities for long-term health. But here's where things get interesting. When you start cycling daily, the changes don't wait for years to appear. Your body begins responding almost immediately. In the first week, something subtle but important starts happening. Your heart rate increases during rides, which encourages your cardiovascular system to work a little harder than usual. Over time, the heart adapts by pumping blood more efficiently. This means oxygen reaches your muscles faster, your brain receives better circulation, and your entire body begins functioning with greater energy. Many people notice this first change quickly. They wake up feeling slightly more refreshed. Daily tasks feel less exhausting. Even walking upstairs begins to feel easier. This is your cardiovascular system waking up again. During the second week, your muscles begin adjusting to the repeated movement. Cycling primarily activates the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glute muscles. But it also engages the core muscles that stabilize your body while you ride. As these muscles start working regularly, they grow stronger and more efficient. You might not see dramatic visual changes yet, but inside your body something powerful is happening. Your muscle fibers are adapting, your endurance is improving, and your metabolism begins to rise. A faster metabolism means your body burns calories more efficiently even when you're not exercising. By the third week, many cyclists begin noticing another transformation. Their breathing improves. Your lungs become more efficient at exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide. As a result, your stamina increases. Activities that once left you winded begin to feel manageable. And something else often appears during this stage: mental clarity. Cycling stimulates the release of endorphins and other brain chemicals linked to mood, focus, and stress relief. Many riders describe feeling calmer after a ride, as if their mind has been reset. This is not just psychological, it's biological. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain and supports the growth of new neural connections, which can improve memory, concentration, and emotional balance. By the fourth week, the changes become easier to notice physically. Your legs may feel stronger and more toned. Your posture improves. You may even notice small shifts in body weight or body shape. But the most important transformation often happens beneath the surface. Your heart has become stronger, your circulation has improved, and your body has started developing a sustainable relationship with movement. Now, remember the question we asked earlier. Why do some people experience real transformation from cycling, while others give up after just a few days? The answer isn't intensity, it's consistency. Many beginners make the mistake of pushing too hard too quickly. They ride long distances on the first few days, feel exhausted, and then lose motivation. But the real power of cycling comes from simple, steady repetition. Even 15 to 30 minutes a day can produce meaningful results when done consistently. Think of cycling not as a workout, but as a daily rhythm, just like brushing your teeth, just like taking a morning walk. When it becomes part of your routine, your body adapts naturally without feeling overwhelmed. Another secret many experienced cyclists know is that cycling is not only physical exercise, it's also mental therapy. There's something unique about the motion of pedaling. The steady rotation of the wheels, the wind against your face, the quiet focus of moving forward, it gives your mind space to breathe. Stress that built up throughout the day begins to fade. Thoughts settle, and for a short period of time, life feels simpler. Around this point in the journey, many riders experience a quiet emotional moment. You might be riding through your neighborhood or along a quiet road, and suddenly realize something. Your body feels lighter, your mind feels clearer, and you remember what it feels like to move freely again. For many people, this moment is deeper than just fitness. It's about reclaiming energy for the people and experiences that matter most, spending time with family, staying active with friends, or simply enjoying life with a stronger body and a calmer mind. Now let's close the loop on something important. Earlier, we mentioned that cycling has a hidden factor that determines whether it truly transforms your health. Here it is. Progress doesn't come from speed. It comes from commitment. You don't need to cycle like a professional athlete. You don't need to race up steep hills or push yourself to exhaustion. What matters is showing up consistently. Ride at a comfortable pace. Start with short distances. Allow your body to adapt gradually. Over time, those small rides accumulate into something powerful. 30 days of movement becomes 60. 60 becomes 90. And before you realize it, cycling has quietly become part of who you are. A habit that supports your heart, strengthens your body, and clears your mind. So, if you're looking for one simple change that can begin improving your health almost immediately, cycling may be one of the best places to start. Not because it's extreme, but because it's sustainable. And sometimes the habits that look the simplest are the ones that change our lives the most. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like the video and share it with someone who might need a little extra motivation to start moving again. And if you want more practical health tips designed to help you stay active, energized, and strong at every stage of life, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Your body is capable of incredible change. Sometimes all it needs is the first ride.